all of you. Today I am tell about the types of lens. There are two types of lens: concave lens or convex lens. First, concave lens. Concave lens, it is also known as a diverging lens because it diverging the parallel rays. It is thinner from a center and thicker from a use of it in manufacturing a camera and in a flashlight of phone. Second is a convex mirror. It is also known as a converging lens because it converts the parallel rays.
Explain the skeleton. The skeleton is a frame of bones and cartilage that supports and protects the body's soft tissues and internal organs. It also provides the body with its shapes, also movement and store minerals. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones.
206 bones in the human skeleton. So I will explain the now human skeleton. First, it is skull. It contains 29 bones in it. Second, it is hypoid bones. This connects the skull and rib cage. Third, it is a rib cage. It has 24 bones with 12 pairs, 1 pair and 2 pairs. There are top 7 pairs are 2 ribs, least 5 are false ribs and 2 are.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sagar and I am tell about ear. We have three parts in our ear. First is outer ear. In outer ear we have canal and ear canal. In ear canals we have wax and it removes the dead skins. And second is middle ear. In middle ear we have a eardrum and 3 small bones. First is hammer, second is anvil, and third is steps. And in our inner ear we have chocolate. And these 3 types of bones in we have middle ear, steps, anvil bone, and hammer bone.
Litmus paper and indicators. There is two types of indicator. There is two types of litmus paper. First is blue litmus paper and second is red litmus paper. It is obtained from the lichen plant and it has a mauve color. The blue litmus. So when we put the blue litmus into the acidic solution, it becomes red, and when we put the basic solution in the red litmus paper, it becomes blue. And second, indicator. Indicator is an indicator to tell us about whether the substance is acidic or basic. There are two types of indicator. First, the natural indicator and second, synthetic. Natural indicator are the present in the nature, and synthetic indicators are made by man. Thank you.
I am here for talking about conical flask. Conical flask is a biological laboratory container with conical shapes, narrow neck and wide base. The uses of conical flask are mixing chemicals and crystallizations, etc. The characteristics of conical flask are made of plastic or glass, and the volume of it is 25 to 5,000 milliliters. Thank you. Good morning. I am here for explaining test tube. A test tube is a cylindrical container for chemical and biological samples. It is used for reaction. It is used in labs for reaction, storage, and researches. And it is made of glass or plastic material. And the size vary of this is standard, micro, and macro, 0.5 to 50 milliliter. Then some examples of